open it. Look. Watch, I'll put this right here. Look. Look. You open it up. Look, try that. Now you just unblurred it. Look. It's a fish.
It's a big goldfish. Yay. He's like, great. I'll eat it. I like sushi.
And look, you have another present. Look at this. Look, we'll put this fish right here, and then look. Look. Look.
Ooh, yay, a book.
Look, a birthday fish book.
Say, Mom, is that book used?
Say, Dad, this is a tape that we're going to have forever, and you're on it being snot.
Oh, he loves it.
Look,
It's a goldfish.
Birthday present just like you
A
had.
birthday fish.
Look.
He says, I'm still trying to figure out books, guys.
Look. These are kind of hard pages for little fingers, huh? Here. There. Good job.
Good
Look at all those
boy.
little kids on there. Look, it's a fish. Look, it's a fish. Just like your fish.
Bruh.
Look, a fish and a fish.